Hello, this is Stephen Choi again. I'm back. I realized that on my first video, I forgot to put my glasses on. I knew something was wrong. But anyway, I found my glasses and I got them on right now. Okay. Um, Also, I printed out the names of you, of the students here. Okay. Let's see here. We have, is it Azima Ahmed? Martha Alarcon, I guess, Annalyn Alcala, Gustavo Arredendo, Trindang, Francisco Garcia, Pongi Zhang, Sunny Kim, Christina Kim, Sukjin Kim, Yeonmi Kim, Insuk Kim, Sunny Ko, Su Lee, Alexandra Linares, Maria Marquez, Hyun Min, Tram Wen, Lan Wen, Sejin O, Carlos Parra, Tu Pham. I'm not sure about this one. Anyway, Maksudur Rahman, Guadalupe Ramos, Nawal Saluen Ji Yoon. Okay, those are tough. Okay, I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce your name correctly, but I wanted to see who's out there. Okay, looks like we have a lot of Koreans. 안녕하세요. And we have some Vietnamese. Xin chào. And we have some Latinos. Okay, ¿Cómo están? Anyway, and there's some, I guess, Iranians or Iraqis. I'm not sure. Okay, but I don't speak Arab or I don't know any Persian words. Okay, but anyway, I'm glad to meet you at least on paper. I'm sure some of you are not here right now, and maybe some got added. I'm not sure. Okay, but I would love to meet you one day if it's possible. Okay. Anyway, let's go back to English, okay? Let's go back to English. All right. So we have 8 parts of speech. 8 parts of speech in the English language. And we talked about nouns, verbs, and pronouns, okay? Nouns are what? Names of people, places, things, animals, ideas, qualities. Okay, anything you can see, feel, touch, anything you can think about, imagine, those are nouns, okay? And verbs are action words, and anything from write, read, speak, listen, think. Those are all action words, okay? Plus the be verb, okay? Am, are, is, was, were, okay? Been, being, okay? Those are not action words, but they are verbs, nevertheless, okay? And that's not action, that's state of being, okay? We talked about that. And then the third one we talked about are the pronouns, okay? Pronouns are words that we use in place of nouns, okay? So we talked about some personal pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, him, her, we, they, them, us, okay? Those are personal pronouns. We have demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those. We have reflexive pronouns, myself, yourself, ourselves, theirs, themselves, okay? So we have those kind of pronouns. We have indefinite pronouns like one, ones, someone, anyone, no one, everyone, nobody. Okay, there are many different kinds of pronouns, okay? And these words are used in place of nouns, okay? All right. What is number 4 that you want to talk about? Okay? All right. Somebody said it. Adjectives, right? Adjectives. Okay? What are adjectives? Adjectives, what? Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns, okay? adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Okay, so I could say this is a black marker. Okay, this is a black marker. Okay, it is a beautiful day. Okay, beautiful day. This is a whiteboard. Whiteboard. Okay, so it describes nouns. Okay, nouns. Okay, okay. It is a black. Let's just say pen. Okay, it is a black pen. Okay, black describes the noun. Okay, pen. Okay, what kind of pen? Black pen. Black pen. Okay, and it could also describe pronouns. You could say what? You could say she is pretty. She is pretty. Okay, she is what? She is an adjective. I'm sorry. She is a pronoun, and pretty is the adjective. Okay, I forgot to put adjective here. Okay, and pretty describes she. Okay, all right. So pronouns describe. I'm sorry. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Okay, adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Okay, so adjectives answer questions like what kind, which one, how many. Okay, those are the kind of questions adjectives answer. Okay, so we have 20 students. How many students? 20. 20 is an adjective. Okay, all right. So next one, what's next? We got 4 so far. Got to go 4 more. Okay, we have to have 4 more. So next one is, that's right, adverbs. Adverbs. And what do adverbs do? Adverbs describe what? Obviously verbs. What else? It actually describes adjectives and other adverbs. Okay? Okay? Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs in the sentence. Okay? So for example, you could say, I drive slowly. I drive slowly. Okay? I drive slowly. Okay. The verb is drive. How do I drive? Slowly. Slowly. So slowly is the adverb describing the verb drive. Okay? Drive. Okay. By the way, in English, a lot of the adverbs end in ly. Okay? Ly. Okay? So when you say immediately, carefully, usually, rapidly, those are all adverbs. Okay? Not always. We don't always have ly, and then we don't always, we don't always have ly ending for adverbs. You say I drive fast. You don't say I drive fastly. Okay, so there's some exceptions. Okay, some irregularities, but when you see ly, it's 99%. Okay, 99%. I think not always, but when you see ly, it's an adverb. Okay. So what did you? Okay, what did you say? Give me the exception. Okay, for example, word like ugly. Okay, ugly ends in ly, but it's not an adverb. Okay, is an adjective. Okay, that's an adjective. Anyway, but most adverbs end in ly, and the other way is most words that ends in ly are adverbs. Okay, but there are a lot of words that do not, a lot of adverbs that do not end in ly. Okay, anyway, so adverbs describes verbs. Okay, but what if I said I drive very slowly. Okay, I drive very slowly. Okay, so here slowly is an adverb. Okay, so how do I drive? Slowly. How slowly? Very slowly. Okay, so very is another adverb. Okay, this is an adverb describing another adverb. Okay, remember I said adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. I drive slowly. I drive very slowly. Very is an adverb describing another adverb. Okay, so adverbs ask questions like what? How? Why? Where? Okay, these are the kind of questions that adverbs answer. Okay, and then how about here? She is pretty. She is pretty. Okay, remember pretty is an adjective, right? If I say she is not just pretty, but she is very pretty. Okay, no solo bonita. Ella es muy bonita. Okay, so if I say she is very pretty, that very is also an adverb, okay, in that sentence. And how pretty? Very pretty, okay? So that adverb describes an adjective, okay? So adverbs describe what? Verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. All right? Good. Any questions? Okay, let me know later. All right. Number 6. What's number 6? Number 6. Yes, let's talk about prepositions. Okay? Prepositions basically is a word that links nouns to the main sentence, main part of the sentence. Okay? It shows the relationship between position and time. Okay? So, I'll just give you some examples. Okay? Words like to, from, on, at, in, what else? Above, below, okay, under, over, beneath. Okay, all those words are preposition. Okay, I am teaching this class in my guest bedroom. Okay, in my guest bedroom. Okay, so you are learning on the internet. Okay, on is a preposition. Okay, all right. We walk in the park. I'll see you at 7 p.m. I'll see you on Monday. Okay, those are all prepositions. Okay, all right. Number 7. What's number 7? What's number 7? Number 7 is conjunctions. Conjunctions, okay? Number 7 is conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions join or link words, phrases, and clauses, okay? All right. So these are words like and, but, so, or, for, because, thus, okay? So I could say, I have a black marker and a green marker, and black and green, okay? Or I could say, I like red, but I like black better. Okay? So those are conjunctions. They're the words that join words, phrases, and clauses. Okay? Like words like and, but, so, or, for, thus, therefore. Okay? All those words. Okay? All right. The last one. What is the last one? Who knows the last one? Number 8. By the way, this is not in any particular order, okay? But I just put them down like this, okay? Nouns, verbs, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and final, it is okay, so these are interjections. Interjections. What are interjections? Interjections are exclamations. Okay, that's an exclamation mark, right? Exclamations. Exclamations. Say, wow! Oh! Yes! No! Okay? Whoa! Okay? So, those are interjections, okay? Wow! Oh! Ooh! Boo! Okay? Those are all interjections, okay? So you have the 8 parts of speech. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 8 parts of speech. All right. All right. So let's talk about let's use a sentence as an example. Okay, I'm gonna erase this now because I'm running out. I don't have any more space. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, so okay, I realize that this is level 3, and many of you probably know this, but it's always good to review, and I'm sure some of you uh, may benefit from practicing a little bit. Okay, picking out the parts of speech. Okay, so if I say, this is my favorite sentence. Okay, I love her. Okay, I love her. Okay, I love her. What is that? What is that? Okay, that's a pronoun. This is a verb, and this is a pronoun, right? Very easy. Okay, very easy. But what if I says Bob loves, let's say, Sarah. Okay, Bob loves Sarah. Okay, now it's still the same verb here. Okay, but Bob is what? Is that a pronoun? No, Bob is a noun, and Sarah is a noun. Okay, very easy, very easy. Okay, you want to do one a little bit harder? Okay, all right. Okay, we learn English on the internet. Okay, internet. Okay. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 words. We have 6 words in this sentence. Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me what all those words are? What part of speech they are? Can you tell me? Okay. What's we? What part of speech is that? We. Yes, that one's easy. That one's a pronoun. Okay. All right. What about learn? What about learn? That's the verb. How about English? Okay. Okay. Direct object. That's not part of speech. Okay. Direct object is part of a sentence. Okay. But what part of speech is English? That is a noun. Okay. And on, right. That's preposition. Then let's skip the. How about internet? That's also a noun, right? All right. What is the? Somebody said article. Okay, it is an article, but article again is not a part of speech. The is what? Yes, it's an adjective, okay? Remember, all articles, okay, are what? Adjectives, okay? So you have a and the. Those are the three articles, and we'll talk about that one day later, okay? But these are articles are always adjectives, okay? All right. I'm gonna come back with part 3, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.